Hello, welcome to Dove in Head First. My name is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to sew a laptop sleeve. What we need right now for the project is the fabric. So this will be the main fabric and that will be the lining. It has some cushioning because this is some leftover quilting material. And then I'm gonna need the Velcro and my measurements. So first of all, I will start by measuring the laptop, which is just basically 12.3 by 8.8. And then what I want to sew it so that the laptop goes in that way. The laptop needs to go in that way. So I've added on, I rounded it off to the nearest 12.5 by 9. I want to give it some space, so I added 2 inches both sides. So that will give me 11 by 14.5. And then I want the sleeve to come back and close on itself, and the sleeve is 5. So which means that gives me, the sleeve is 5. So because this side is 14.5 by 2 is 29 plus 5, that's 33. And then I'm gonna make the fabric all the way to 33. It'll fold on itself, then I'll cut the sides to give it that shape that I'm looking for. This is the main fabric and it's 33 all the way and 11 on this side. So we're gonna fold it to 14.5. So I'm gonna sew this side and the other side. Later on, I'm gonna cut this diagonally. I'm going to do the same for the lining. So the lining has some excess, which I'm choosing not to cut off. So once I've sewn it, that will be also a cushion for the laptop to make the corners a little bit secure. So I'll fold this one too, sew it that way. This side and this side has been sewn. I've also sewed this side and this side. So what I'm gonna do first is fold these into 2 and cut the sleeve. I'm just gonna wing it. Take the Velcro. So right now, because this is the top bit, before I join it with these, I am going to put the Velcro in place. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Just sew a little part here. The Velcro is the Velcro on the inside should have actually gone on the lining fabric. Hold on, I've made a mistake. We need to start over. The step that I missed is to turn it facing the right way, so that this right way is facing that. So do that and then put it in as we did before. Done. I have my pins to hold it in place. So I'm going to go and sew it with leaving that much of an allowance to use to turn it around. Go and sew it all the way around. So remember, because I'm using this for cushion, I'm going to sew it facing this way. And then I'm gonna go all the way around, and then I will cut the excess. I turned it around and did the sewing, as you can see, in a way that I can see the main fabric, as it's the one that's already been cut in shape. All done. Now I'm gonna cut the excess. I think because this is playing up, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna hand sew over here so that it lies flush. Sewing is done, so now I'm gonna turn it inside out. This is the opening that I left, so everything has to go in through here. Okay, we made a mistake. These should have been in here. So we are going to rectify that. We are going to rectify that, then I'm going to come back. Should have been in here. So I have corrected the issue. I've transferred these here. I loved the way it turned out. If you've stayed this long, kindly consider subscribing and stay tuned for more fun projects coming your way. Bye bye and God bless.